Let's tour the Newhaven home design by D.R. Horton. Welcome to the spacious great room featuring a floor-to-ceiling fireplace bump-out. The formal dining room situated next to the kitchen facilitates effortless meal service. Or serve casual meals at the expansive kitchen island, showcasing gleaming quartz countertops. The Newhaven also offers a main floor bedroom and bath, complete with a walk-in storage closet. There's also a back patio entrance next to the garage, and a drop zone with coat hooks and built-in cubbies. And nearby is the downstairs bath, providing a generous step-in shower. You can't beat the beauty and practicality of this exceptional kitchen and living spaces, but let's spend time upstairs to explore the rest of the home. The upper floor provides 4 bedrooms plus a bonus. And here is the conveniently located laundry room. There's a centrally located full bathroom that provides a tub shower combo and a dual sink vanity. Each secondary bedroom includes a storage closet. This one is being used as a home office. You will find light and bright living with a generous window in each bedroom, plus LED lighting. The bonus room at the rear of the home showcases an abundance of natural light through multiple windows, and you'll appreciate the recessed area utilized here as an extra study space next to the closet. Now it's time to experience the serenity of the private bedroom suite. First, you'll observe the ample natural light that fills this bedroom and the expansive walk-in closet. This remarkable private bath features a luxurious soaking tub, a beautiful dual sink vanity, a water closet, and a roomy step-in shower. You should experience the Newhaven design firsthand. Just give us a call at 206-681-1770. Let us help you start your new home journey today.